Kani gade ka pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kani gade ka kanhon jong ka sengsan perthai ka badang mi perthai, dang house nam Arhajar Khatsan ka balatip kumka North East India Development Party NEIDP ka bahanne kasngi ka santare ukala lengkon kalawan ye kendo ye kinong perthai kubor hasilong press club. Kani gade ka sengsan perthai ka balapan kha haka arpulai trek unopra jong nam Arhajar Khatsan ka balayo ro ye ka jing ito na ka Election Commission of India house nam Arhajar Khanrio. House nam Arhajar Khanyo kene ka seng kalai khonro ye ka election MLA haka jilla Manipur bat kalayo vote tang lai point real percent kat ba haka panchayat election ka bala penlong haka bukot jong nam Arhajar Khanyo kene ka seng kalayo vote 0.5%. Ban penito syakipat ba ye kene ka seng san partai haka ne ka jilla Meghalaya hanne ka sngi haka jing kendo ye kinong partai khobor hasilong press club kinong ilam jang ne ka seng kila pensyai halor kinong rem trekam jong kene ka seng syakipat ba bat pen benaru ban penyakhon ki kertong jong kene ka seng ye ka election MLA ka ban solong shen montaus nam.
We are here to create awareness about our party, that we are a party that is working for the welfare of the Northeast. It's a regional party. And we are here to assess the ground situation as to how we can fit into the current political scheme of things here. So, we have already met many people here, and we have interacted with many potential candidates also. And we are also building up an ad hoc committee here, ad hoc state level committee to take care of all these election related issues. So we hope to by the end of this month or even the third week, before the third week of this month, we hope to be in a position to finalize the number of seats that we can contest. And we are also in discussion, and we are getting some feelers from other parties also for an alignment also. That also option is also open in front of us. No doubt ours is an infant party, but we have done a lot of groundwork here, and those the groundwork which we did started slowly giving us results. As we come nearer to the elections, we hope we will get more response from even potential candidates who want to contest on our party's ticket. And also, definitely, more people will contact us for becoming, a part of our ad hoc committee. So this is what is our agenda here, to analyze the situation here, political situation here, and also to identify the potential candidates for our party, and also to form the state level ad hoc committee.